Oh my gosh, this color, sis. Do I really even need to do like a real intro? Like, you see the color? You see do I really need to do a real intro? Okay, I'll do one. Hey girl, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, I'm really excited about today's video, about today's wig. As you can probably tell, my enthusiasm is on 100. I'm so geeked. Like, I'm in love with this color. Spoiler alert, okay? So anyways, today we're doing a review on Outre's Perfect Hairline Wig Charisma. So if you want to know all of the specs, the deets, and know what I think, then just keep on watching. So today we're going to be reviewing the Perfect Hairline fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig by Outre in the style Charisma in the color DRFF Cajun Spice. Now, I haven't had a color like this in a very long time, like years. Well, I had Stevie, and Stevie was kind of like a burnt orange color, but I'm really excited. So this is what the box looks like. So yeah, it says it has the transparent HD lace on the back. It has the product features and all of this. A very informative box. Let's open her up, shall we? Ooh, spicy. She is definitely spicy, baby. I can smell the paprika. Okay, so let's get into this color. Look at this color, girl. Look at the color. Look at the color. Okay. The construction of the wig is 2 combs on the sides, like so. A comb in the back. It has adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. And this is what the parting space looks like from the inside. Here is the natural hairline. Okay, so let's try her on. Ooh, she's kind of tight. I'm probably gonna have to wear a black cap because you can see my cap. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely need a hot comb. So let me fire up that hot comb. Oh girl, this color is literally everything. Okay, so let me show you the full length of the wig because I think I'm about to cut it. Like, this wig is serving expensive. This wig is serving a luxury synthetic wig. Like, the color is exquisite. Like, it feels nice. I am not mad. Okay, so let's talk about it. Outre perfect hairline, 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig in the style Charisma and the color GRWM Cajun Spice. It says that it has transparent HD lace, no plucking required. That is very true. I did not have to pluck anything. This is what the inside of the stock card looks like. Now, let me just tell you, like I said, this color, exquisite. Like, chef's kiss, exquisite. This color is bomb. Okay, this color is everything. I think this color is what's making me love the wig so much. It looks so rich. It looks so well done. It looks like the best of the best of the best color this wig to perfection without a mistake in sight. Like, oh my gosh, the curls are beautiful. The hair is soft. Like, it feels nice. Despite it being as long as it is, I'm still able to like run my fingers through it and not really get too many snags. So that's really good. Quite a bit of shedding. Like, this wig is shedding a lot, but you know me, I don't really care about that. Now, this wig was like $40 something, I believe, either 30 something or 40 something dollars. And for me, I feel like it's worth it, right? If you are the type of girl who like you lay your frontals, like, by all means, like, you can get this wig and slay her to death, girl. But for somebody like me who I just wear it like this in the middle part, or I would wear it in the side part, I wouldn't really do too much styling with it. Like, I would prefer a version of this wig that just has like the part and not all of this extra frontal space, because for me, in the way I wear my wigs, like, I won't really utilize that. So I would love to have like a version of this where it's just like the part. This wig is definitely a must buy for me. Like, if you don't already have this wig, you should go get it. Especially if you like this color, like, go and cop this wig in this color. Now, for me, I feel like in like this like ash blonde color would be cute too. But as far as like a regular like 1B, I don't know that this wig would be like necessary to get in just like a 1B, because it's so many other wigs that have this type of curl pattern that you could get with a 1B. But I would say go and get it if you want this specific color or like this color, because this looks really nice as well. So if you want like the color, like, go and cop the wig. But if you just like the style, I mean, I feel like there's other wigs out there that you could get this same type of curl pattern. So it's not necessarily the curl pattern that makes it a pop, it's the color that makes it a pop. And then the hair texture is nice as well, and that makes it a pop. But the curl pattern is nothing special, but it's just extra special because of the color. You get what I'm saying? Like, this color is just making this all types of lit. I look date night ready. Too bad I'm not really going nowhere today, but like, Rob should be taking me out. Like, this wig is not necessarily big head friendly because it's fitting kind of tight on my head, and I didn't adjust the straps or anything. Like, the cap is stretchy, but like, I don't know, it's fitting tight on my head, and I feel like it was kind of pulling back a little bit. You know how sometimes when a wig is a little bit too tight or just a little bit too small, it'll kind of start to like pull back a little bit. So it was doing that. So I don't know about it being big head friendly. No, but I'm gonna go. That's pretty much it. If you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you thought of the wig. Like, do you already have her? Are you interested in buying her? Are you gonna pass on her? Do you like the color? Do you not like the color? Like, let me know. Let's talk about it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Please do not leave without subscribing. If you are new here, please subscribe before you go. I would love to see you come back and watch another video and just join the fam. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.